Reading, critical thinking. Brain. You have 100 billion of these. You have something that's more complex than the most powerful computer. With it, you can see and smell flowers, remember holidays, feel pain, hear your favorite singer's voice, and think. This thing, which is in your head and weighs a kilo, is your brain. Your brain has about 100 billion cells and controls everything you do. It receives information from your senses, analyzes it, then sends messages. For example, when you put your hand in hot water, you think that hurts, and you take your hand out of the water. Your brain receives the message very hot from your hand, then immediately sends a message back to your hand, take your hand out of the water. Our senses often work together. For example, try this experiment. Cut a piece of apple, banana, and orange. Close your eyes, hold your nose, then taste the fruit. Can you taste the difference between the fruits? Probably not. This is because when you eat something, your brain receives messages from your mouth, eyes, and nose. Your brain also stores past memories, and this makes learning and remembering possible. At the same time, your brain controls your breathing, your heart, your body temperature, and your digestion. It's important to guess. When you hear a sound, your brain tries to guess where it is coming from. So, if you hear a ringing sound and see a telephone, your brain may guess that the telephone is ringing. But if someone picks up the phone and the ringing sound continues, your brain will guess again. Maybe it's a mobile phone or a film on TV. Scientists say that our brains always think that light comes downwards, perhaps because sunlight comes down. And now, it's time for questions. Answer the following questions. 1. What can you do with your brain? With it, you can see and smell flowers, remember holidays, feel pain, hear your favorite singer's voice, and think. 2. How much does your brain weigh? It weighs a kilo. 3. What 5 senses does the brain receive messages from? It receives messages from taste, smell, sight, hearing, and touch. 4. How does the brain help us to learn and remember? It acts as a store for past memories. 5. Why do our brains think that light comes downwards? Our brains think so because the natural light from the sun always comes from above. Now, read the text below, then write the word which best fits each space. The brain is more complex than the most powerful computer. It has about 100 billion cells and controls everything you do. It receives information from your senses and analyzes it. It also stores past memories, and this makes learning and remembering possible. At the same time, it controls your breathing, your heart, your body temperature, and your digestion. Thanks for listening. With Nafham, learn easily and simply.